aggressively. It's the aggressor.
Simple up murder them after the soul get it out and jump up.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. From the beginning of dancehall until now, there has been a few gatekeepers. Now, in recent times, it's either the gatekeepers them stop work or the gatekeepers them just decide say yo, anything or anything. And the gatekeepers are simple there just to filter the type of music where the artists them are put out, and not just the music but also the artists them where boss, if them fit and ready for this. If the type of music, the type of contents they are putting out is one that should be accepted in dancehall. And I believe it is safe to say, out of all of the gatekeepers them, only one is left, and that is Bounty Killer. Now, Bounty Killer is a man, no matter the type of music where you do. In fact, no matter who you be, if you put out a content, a music video, or even a song where him feel like say, yo, that not supposed to play in a dancehall, him a go lash out against you. Him do that to Alkaline a lot. Which beg the question, is it a case where him have a personal vendetta against Alkaline, or is it a case where him just want to clean up the music? That was what everybody was asking. That was what everybody thought. Him no really have no vendetta against Alkaline. Him just want to clean up the music. However, Bounty Killer posted something on his Instagram, and right now it is safe to say the one and only gatekeeper who did left will lose him, because there is no way Bounty Killer should be a man where try to filter the music, a man where try to clean up the music and post that on him Instagram page. So I believe it is safe to say Bounty Killer sell out. I'm not going to say bow because I know people say, but it is safe to say Bounty Killer sell out and Bounty Killer bias. Also, Skeng has been having a wonderful month of June. It is safe to say that as Skeng take the month from the moment him get arrested at the airport until when him come back at Jamaica. Every minute him name in the news. Well, guess what? Skeng name is in the news again. And believe me, this time, that's it. Hands down, that's it. It's over. Skeng. Anyway, before we get to that, you know the drill already. If this is your first time, just please click that subscription button and click the notification bell. If you are not new, then leave a like and leave a comment at the end of this video to tell me what you think. But for whatever you do, just please hit that subscribe button. So we'll get straight tonight, and we're going to start with Bounty Killer first. Now, as I said, no matter who you be, especially if you are Alkaline, once you put out a content where Bounty Killer feel it is dirty or him feel like this content is not clean enough for a dancehall, Bounty Killer will get beaten. Me see him do it to Vibes Cartel, him do it to Massacre, him do it to Alkaline, and so much more. Me not have to name all of them. Almost every artist will put out a dirty song. Now, Kaledo is a former protege of Bounty Killer. He was once a part of the alliance. Did they try to do him thing? Honestly, nothing much not really a go on for him. Now, I remember, I think not the last time, but Massacre did a song where him have two girls in it. And in the video, the two girls, you don't know how to do some lesbian stuff. Bounty Killer never like that. Bounty Killer come out and him lash out for Massacre and whatever. Now, him share a post from Kaledo page on his Instagram page, and in the video it was basically the teasing of a song. It was basically promoting one of Kaledo's new song or soon to be song that will be released. And in the video there are two girls on the poster. One of them basically a kiss up the next one neck, and one and the hand down towards the private part. It is in a full lesbian compromising position. And when me see it, me really have to sit down and look at me and I say, yo, Bounty Killer really do this. And it's not a case where he was, you know, when people tag in a video or picture, you might want to reshare it. But I don't quite remember, but I doubt he was tagged in that video. I go show you the video if you want to see it for yourself. But him go ahead and him share the video. And I say, no, this can't be the same Bounty Killer where every artist put two girls in a them music video. If the girl them even hug up Bounty Killer, make big posts, do big interview, lash out against them. And him now, as the man will always do that, him come and a highlight and a promote a video, a promote a music, a promote a song like that. So he come back to the question, is it a case where Bounty Killer just have a personal vendetta against man like Alkaline? Or is it a case where I don't even know what to say. But it just don't look good for no say Bounty Killer as the man where say him a the last and only standing gatekeeper in a dancehall, drop him standard so low and go against the same thing that he has been living for, the same thing that he has been fighting for decades. Him just drop everything because of one artist who did in him camp and now start promote and highlight lesbianism in a song. No, I don't have a problem with it. But me just simply say, for a man like Bounty Killer, we're going so over them thing here, there is no way him should have share a post like that promoting a song like that on his Instagram page. The video will be on the screen so you can check it out for yourself and tell me if I lie. Me I tell if you really believe say Bounty Killer as the man where him are the biggest and the last one and only standing gatekeeper in a dancehall should have post a video like that on his Instagram page. We are going to touch upon Skeng now. As we said, Skeng has been having a wonderful month. From the moment him get locked up until the moment him come back at Jamaica. Him news ever in the him name ever in the news it not come out and it is just getting greater and greater. Now this time his name is in the news again. And it is for a big, special, and wonderful reason. Coming directly from the Dancehall mag, it said, Skeng and his producers signed to G-Jam Music with global publishing deal. Dancehall star Skeng and his close friend and producers John Coop and Shaka the Truth have recently signed with G-Jam Music. G-Jam has also recently signed a global deal with Downtown Music Services, which will see the New York-based company provide funded music publishing administration and label service for Skeng, Shaka, and Coop, as well as G-Man's exiting catalog and its exiting roster of songwriters and producers. The music company, which is headquartered in Jamaica, includes a premier G-Jam Studios in Port Antonio. It is headed by hotel mogul John Baker, who first opened the recording facility in 1998. This is an exciting musical renaissance at play in Jamaica now, and I am delighted to be partnering with Downtown Music for publishing administrations and label service, Baker said in an release. Having been a part of Jamaican music scene for over 30 years since my tenure as president of Chris Blackwell Islands, Jamaica in the early 1990s, I believe now is time to offer a true alternative to what is currently on offer for Jamaican artists and writers. So, me not gonna read all of that, but for those of you who do not understand what this means, this simply means that yo, Skeng are gonna be bigger, badder, and better than what he is now. Because as a musician, as an artist, outside of having a good manager, if you bring up on the right shows and get you in the right countries and the right places, you see your publishing is one of the most important thing. Because you see when your performance, when your shows and everything fade away, your publishing is basically your pension. Your publishing is setting you up for life. And not only that, if you don't have a good publishing team or a good publishing agency behind you, no matter the music what you do, you are gonna get robbed. You know, get the credit you're supposed to get where songwriting and song singing, all of them things they are concerned, you will not get it. But when you have the right publisher, them just put aside every single thing that you're supposed to get, and not only that, them themselves push your music. Just imagine me now, so me an artist, and so me I release a song. Which part that all go? That now pass Kingston, that not now pass Maypen. But with the right publisher, if you spend, you notice in one part of it, it's a funded, the right publisher, to spend money on it and push it in the right place, in the right areas, then it's only going to get bigger and better for you as the musician and also the publisher. And as I said, the greatest part of this is that the publisher then put away your pension. The right credits you're supposed to get, you get it. Enough artists put out song, them soundtrack get used over there, so them music get played on the radio. This is somebody that take their music and do this, that the person that take their music and do that, and what them get from it? Absolutely nothing. But when you have a solid publisher behind your music, everywhere your music play, a little percentage come to you. Nobody can just take up your music. So that is why certain artists, if you're even gonna make a YouTube video and you're gonna use them song, or even on IG, you're gonna use them song in a video, you only can use about 5 seconds, while some artists you can use probably up to 30 seconds. It is all based on the publishing and the copyrights and stuff like that. So this is huge for Skeng. And may I tell you, the way our Skeng rise fast, Skeng is heading to the top of dancehall. Members, let me say it over here. So anyway, tell me in the comment section, do you believe that Bounty Killer drop him gear, drop him standard when him post the video that I showed you, the video that I talk about, or you believe him just a support a new artist? Also, tell me you believe that Skeng, just like how you hear them talk about Vibes Cartel and Alkaline, which is the two biggest name in dancehall, do you believe that Skeng name will be amongst those talk very soon? Tell me in the comment section.